Right, this is how to change your time on the Siemens IQ series washing machine. Turn it on. Select a program, any program. And where it says time here, hit that. Right, so we've got plus and minus hours, plus and minus minutes, winter time and summertime. So you've got summertime selected now, adds on an hour, winter time takes off an hour. You've got plus and minus hours, so you've got 11, 12, it's a 24-hour clock. Minutes are the same. It is quicker just to tap rather than hold. We're going to adjust it this time here. The clock's going forward, so it's now summertime again. So we want to change this so it says summertime and then click back and it's saved. There we are. That is how you change the time on your Siemens IQ washing machine. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching, guys.